After the morning, there comes an evening, and after evening, another day, and after falls love, there comes a true love. I'll have you listen here to what I say, my love. He is as fine a young man, as fine as any the sunshine, but hard to see. I do not know it, for he is sentenced to be hung, as he was marching the streets of Derry. I know he marched so right manfully, being much more like a commanding officer than one to die upon the gallows tree. What keeps my love? She's so long a-coming. Oh, what detains her so long from me? Or could she think it a shame or scandal to see me die upon the gallows tree? He looked around and he saw her coming, and she rode swifter than the wind. I let them see that they dare not hang you, and I cried my love with a pinch of rain, as he was marching the streets of Derry. I know he marched so right manfully, being much more like a commanding officer than one to die upon the gallows tree.